Hi everyone, this is iPhone 6s which was released in 2015 and officially announced like it will be upgradable to iOS 15.8.1. But today I'm going to show you a hack through which you'll be able to upgrade it more, because I have already upgraded to iOS 15.8.4, which was not mentioned in the official site. So let's see how can you do that. So first of all, I'm going to unlock the phone. Just wait. I'm not going to show you the credentials, obviously not the pin number. And now here is the settings. Then go and check the version first. That I have already told you that I have installed the 15.8.4, where the official announcement was it will be upgradable to 15.8.1. So I'm going to show you the same hack through which you'll be able to upgrade your iPhone 6s, 7, or maybe the SE version 1 through this hack, so that it will get the upgrade of iOS 18. So first of all, you have to launch this Safari and then search iOS beta profile download. I have already used it, so it's mentioned like this. Then go a little bit down and you'll find the official website, that is Apple beta, mentioned like that. Click on it and then wait a little bit. You'll get this page soon. Then you have to go down again and search for sign in, because this is official one, so you have to obviously sign in. So here in this part you have to put your credentials, your Apple ID, and just hold on a little bit. Already signed in. Now here you can find the profile version, because without the configuration profile you'll not be able to download the original iOS 18. So first of all you have to click on this, then you'll get this page, and there you have to go down again a little bit, and here you can see that it's mentioned like download the profile or configuration for the profile, my bad. Now click on it and just wait a little bit, and you'll get this allow pop-up. Now click on it, then it will say that profile already downloaded. Now you have to go back to your setting here, and now you can see that it's mentioned the option profile downloaded. If you click on it, you'll see the iOS 18 profile has been already downloaded, the beta version obviously. And here you can go also check the more details and then go back. Now what you have to do, just click on this install button and wait for the iOS 18 version to be automatically downloaded on your device. It basically takes and depends on the the devices. Sometimes it takes days or even weeks or months, so you have to wait for it. Thanks for watching.